In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set password in Brave browser. If you'd like to add an extra layer of privacy to your Brave browser and require a password before anyone can access it, this tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish. The setup is straightforward, and once it's complete, you'll be prompted to enter a password each time the browser is opened. To get started, launch the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the menu icon. This will open a list of options that allow you to customize and manage various browser features. From the menu, navigate to Extensions. After opening the Extensions section, proceed to the Web Store, where you can browse and add additional tools that extend the functionality of the browser. Inside the Web Store, use the search bar to look for an extension called Set Password for your browser. This extension is designed to add password protection to your browsing session, helping prevent unauthorized access when someone attempts to open the browser. When you find the extension, open its page and select the option to add it to Brave. The browser will display a confirmation window asking whether you want to add the extension. Choose the option to add the extension and wait a few moments while the setup process is completed. Once the extension has been successfully added, a setup prompt will appear automatically. At this stage, you'll be asked to create a password that will be required whenever the browser is opened. Enter your preferred password and confirm it if necessary. After entering the password, click OK to save your settings. For security purposes, it's generally a good idea to choose a password that you can remember easily while still being difficult for others to guess. Make sure you store it somewhere safe if needed, because you'll need it each time you want to access the browser. After the password has been saved, close the Brave browser completely. Then open it again to verify that everything has been configured correctly. When the browser starts, you should now see a password prompt before access is granted. Enter the password you created and click OK. If the correct password is entered, the browser will open normally, allowing you to continue browsing as usual. And that's all there is to it. By adding and configuring the extension, you've successfully added password protection to your Brave browser for an additional level of privacy and control. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.